Throughout the year, it's pretty common for us to create recipes that you can serve on game days. You know, wings during football season, recipes that you can dunk while watching basketball, and so on. So when we heard the Masters Golf Tournament was in full swing today, we thought it'd be the perfect time to share our Pecan Golf Ball Cookies with you. The first thing we do is place a box of vanilla wafers in a food processor and pulse them until they're really fine. Now we add those to a large bowl along with a package of softened cream cheese, some chopped pecans, and a bit of caramel ice cream topping. And we give that a good mix. After it comes together, we roll this into 1-inch balls, so they're about the size of golf balls, and we pop them in the freezer. While those are firming up, we melt some white chocolate bars in the microwave, and once that's smooth, all that's left to do is dip each ball in the chocolate. Before you know it, it's time to tee off. There you have it, a golf ball-sized cookie that, if you pardon the expression, you'll be hooked on. Maybe serve them with your favorite 19th hole beverage, and you're good to go. If you want to master our recipe for Pecan Golf Ball Cookies, simply go online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an above par way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Would you quit goofing around and try a cookie?